Hello and welcome once again to Speak Real English, where we explore not just how English works, but how it lives, breathes, and evolves in real conversation. I'm glad you're here. Today, I received a wonderful question from a listener named Nora. She asked about the word movement, a word that's actually richer in meaning than many people realize. On the surface, the word movement seems straightforward. It refers to the physical act of changing location, shifting from one spot to another, walking, running, gliding, or simply changing position. That's the typical, most recognized use of the word, and it's the one you've probably heard often in daily speech, on TV, or even in school. But movement also carries a much deeper, more abstract significance, one that ties into history, culture, and collective transformation. The word can also describe the rise of powerful ideas. In this sense, a movement represents a shift in thinking, a wave of change powered by people who share a common purpose or belief. A political movement, a cultural movement, a civil rights movement, these are not just people physically relocating. These are powerful forces made up of individuals driven by a shared mission. It's about a new mindset, a fresh vision that challenges the old ways and paves a path towards something better. That's what we mean when we talk about a movement in a metaphorical or social sense. And right now, we're in the middle of one when it comes to how people are learning English. There's a shift taking place, and it's happening right here, through communities like this one. We're moving away from outdated memorization techniques, away from just filling in blanks and repeating textbook phrases. The Speak Real English method is all about communication that feels alive. It's about capturing the rhythm, emotion, and tone of natural spoken English so that you can connect with real people in real moments. This isn't about preparing for a grammar test or just passing an exam. It's about building skills you can use at the airport, at a job interview, in a cafe, in a conversation with friends, or even when you're watching your favorite show. It's about turning English into a part of your life that flows easily and feels authentic. And if you're curious about taking this journey a step further, I invite you to visit the Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel. There, you'll find more resources designed specifically for learners like you, resources that focus on real communication and meaningful improvement. One of the most effective ways to improve your English naturally is to study with a native-speaking teacher, someone who understands not only the structure of the language but also the nuances, expressions, and cultural references that make it feel alive. That's why I recommend checking out Verbling, where you can find excellent teachers who specialize in helping students become confident English speakers. If you visit Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel and follow the link to Verbling, you'll discover some special offers available only for members of the Speak Real English community. It's a great opportunity to make your learning even more personal and effective. So as we wrap up today's discussion, I want you to think about how you use the word movement and how you can create one of your own, a personal movement of progress and growth in your language journey. Let this be your invitation to shift your thinking, to move from where you are now to where you want to be in English. Whether you're learning for travel, work, relationships, or personal passion, your reason matters, and your progress is possible. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I encourage you to explore the resources we've talked about, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, stay committed to your English learning movement. Until next time, keep speaking real English and keep moving forward.